मेरा ही खराब है. हाँ. So shall we start now?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. Actually, what happened that I have been talking to you people with the mic mute, and I was angry on you that why people are not giving the answer. And then I realized it. Oh, it was mic was not working, right? Sorry for that. No problem because आपने सुना ही नहीं because mic mute था तो वो angry word भी आप लोगों ने नहीं सुने. So nothing to worry. Okay. So अभी तक 48 बच्चे आ चुके हैं. See, this is a very unfortunate situation, that you have to see one person again and again. But there is nothing can be done on it, right? Until our syllabus gets over. And our syllabus will definitely going to get over within 2 to 3 days, right? So nothing to worry. You don't need to see this person again, right? I'm sorry for one more thing that on 121 second yesterday nothing is post because I had to some other things and because of that thing I was not able to post. Today I'm going to post double after this lecture because after this I don't have any lecture. I'm going to do that only. So sorry for that. It should be every day, but yesterday it was not done. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now people have started speaking also wonderful critical understanding of ICT तो आ गई लोगों में, right? Now, have you, जब लोग आते हैं तो let me जब जब आ रहे हैं तब तक एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे कि have you understood what is the meaning of critical understanding? Why this paper is having the name called critical understanding of ICT? Have you understood that, or has anybody told you that why this namekaran, that is namkaran is done? Is there anyone discuss these things with you?
No, sir, but I guess
No.
technology is critical. Okay. So we have to understand how do we use that technology and
And
communication
it is
with.
true. Technology is very critical, crucial, and very
Yeah.
important in today's age, especially teaching is concerned. So we should need to be a little bit more having understanding. But the word critical understanding, if you see together, again I'm repeating, when you see this critical understanding word together, you will come to know that people have understood the concept of ICT less, and they have misunderstood the concept of ICT more. That means what? That people are going to lectures, they are having PPT, and they just read the PPT, and that is they call teaching, right? Even PPT making is an art. I am admitting that I am not also following that particular art in my PPT, but PPT making is an art in which certain rules are there. That rules need to be followed. Every PPT should have minimum words and at least some correlated pictures so that students can understand the concept well with the help of animations, video, or picture. But we are not using, we are just giving information only. So understanding तो है लेकिन कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. And we have to be very critical because using technology will not work until the teacher works on himself align with ICT. That means we have to create our awareness also, not only of ICT, but how to mix our teaching with the ICT. These are two things, right? Earlier we were used to teach with the chalk and chalk. Then whiteboard came. Earlier it was blackboard. Then green board came. Then whiteboard came. Now we have interactive board called smart boards, right? Now smart board has arrived. So time has changed. People has changed, right? So we also have to change. We have to think very critically about what exactly we are using and what is the impact of it. यहाँ इस बात को हम ऐसे कट शॉर्ट करते हैं कि आप जब भी क्लासरूम में कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करें यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ दैट व्हाट इज द वैलिडिटी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर technology. Is it really helping my students more, or is there any other extra more interesting options available? These questions we need to ask because there are thousands of softwares. I have showed you now on this top 20, top 100, 200 we have seen on that day, right? Why? Because these are the softwares. See, even the software market is so high, and after Corona, people have understood that there is a lot of money. So now everybody wanted to have venture into educational field. तो आप देखो ना, Baiju has now the Baiju has the property up to Twitter. That means that is that much popular that has become. रतन टाटा को अपनी 4 या 5 पीढ़ी लगी जितना कमाने में, मार्क जुकरबर्ग ने फेसबुक में उतना कमा लिया, right? Within one lifetime only, or within, I think, let us say 30 years only, right? Or 20. I don't know where the Facebook was born, but from Facebook to right now, I think not more than 15 or 20 years have passed. So within 20 years, he has double. Then Tata, Ratan Tata. Apart from that, see, this is something we need to understand. So software industry is always there, and they have a lot of competition also. And this competition is very helpful to us. Not all the technology is good, very frankly. Not all the technologies are really something which we should apply, right? In Western countries now, there is a new movement has started. And this new movement has the only one thing that let us not use technology. Can we teach without technology? Yes. There were teachers from England who came here, and I was there to learn from them that how they are teaching there. And they taught us that now we are fed up from technology. So much technology is there, so much internet, so much iPad, and so much things are going on. So we have just now stopped using those things, and now we are giving too much emphasis on teaching offline without any kind of technology. No doubt Corona might have changed the scenario, but this is what they are now focusing on. Why? Because not all the technology is useful. Clear? So now we were discussing about the
Sir,
software from classroom. हाँ बोलिए.
I want
हाँ
some
बोलो
tip.
बोलो.
We want some tip. आज मैथमेटिक्स प्रेजेंटेशन है पीपीटी का, तो कुछ आप टिप देना चाहते हो? क्या हम कर सकते हैं? पीपीटी इज
I
रेडी.
can definitely give.
हाउ?
I'll pro. हाँ.
पीपीटी इज ऑलरेडी
I'll
मेड.
tell you the tip. Sure. No, I'll show you. Right? I'm sharing my screen. Kindly observe it. I'm showing the my PPT which I have prepared. I have taught the same PPT to you only, and I will show you what things you need to remember, right? And what help
Yes,
you
sir.
have which you have not explored up to now. I'll tell you that also.
Okay,
So
sir.
observe that. Let us start. I'm sharing the screen. Just check it. So this is the PPT you have seen, right? That we have seen in language across curriculum. Now, what is the beauty here? I'm not praising myself, but we see internet has a wonderful amount of things. They have wonderful templates available. So this is a ready-made template I have taken from one of the website which provides free templates. Okay. Now, I need to ask my one question to myself, that is it really conveying what I want to convey? So it is communication skills, so it is conveying this, right? It is a bulb. You can see bulb, and the pencil is also there. So bulb is considered as idea, and pencil is considered as communication. So idea and communication goes together to develop communication skills, right? See the color combination also. If this bulb is not in yellow, or this particular pencil is not in white and black, this kind of a blue background, little bit blue background will not get any kind of effect. So color combination, color schemes are also very important. Then next series, this is use pictures. See, I can use this Dr. Bhavin Chauhan and this information only. There is no use of other information. But when you are providing photo information, the effect of that slides increase by 39%. Okay. Then the next tip, that use minimum amount of information on the slide, and use as much as possible the whole consistency. I have used this pencil here, so I'm using the same pencil here to show the consistency. Okay, so एक ही थीम पे हो रहा है, एक ही थीम पे बन रहा है, ऐसा लगना चाहिए, राइट? ये कलर भी देखो तो ये ब्लू कलर है, तो यहाँ भी ब्लू ही कलर है, यहाँ कोई अलग कलर नहीं है. So it should be theme based, right? And minimum information on slide, minimum information, right? See, only 4 sentences. ये भी मुझे ज्यादा लगे, मुझे 2 ही करने थे, लेकिन क्या पूरा एक विचार है ये, फ्रॉम मीडियम टू ये टीचर फील्ड, पूरा एक विचार है, तो एक विचार लेने के लिए इतना एक रखा था. Then you can see only minimum, you can see only minimum. Here I have taken the full sentence. पावर पॉइंट है तो पॉइंट का उपयोग करना चाहिए, सेंटेंस नहीं ले सकते, लेकिन सेंटेंस क्यों लिया? बिकॉज इट्स अ डेफिनेशन, एंड डेफिनेशन वी हैव टू go for full. That's why. If you can see this inverted comma, this double inverted comma you can see here are also of the same color.
Color.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this is some mistakes I have. I have used infographics also here, right? Infographics are also given to you. You have this facility in your Microsoft PowerPoint only. I'll show you how. Let us stop this presentation and understand how this. See, this is also infographics. So
At
whatever
Smart
you want to
Chat, na, sir?
explain, in Smart Chat, yes, exactly. All the facilities are there with you, right? And now, suppose after thank you, I want to add one more slide. Let us say Control M, and you have more slide. Now, I don't want this this one. कि ये तो क्या वो blank है तो blank ही आना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ ये नहीं आ रहा है, तो हमें क्या करना है? Go to insert, go to means new slide and go for blank slide. You have many things here. Go for blank one. Which one you want? Take a blank one. So take basic layout. This is the basic layout. Okay. So you have a choice here. Please remember, any kind of site you want, you have a choice here. And this is not the end. You can have a lot of choices here. Okay. Now I'll show you from the beginning. Let us remove. Let us admit these people first.
सर
ये
अगर
हमारा एक नहीं, हाँ बोलिए, हाँ बोलिए.
सर मतलब
पहले
ऐसा है
बोलिए.
कि we have to complete our PPT within 5 pages only. ये क्राइटेरिया है और टॉपिक थोड़ा बड़ा है, तो क्या करना चाहिए?
तो कंटेंट इतना ही लो जितना, और हाँ टाइम कितना दिया गया है एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए?
5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to
5
10
minutes.
minutes.
So 5 to 10 minutes, and slides should be 5 only.
5 to 6
That is a
maximum.
very good thing. I like that concept. Why? Because now minimum content will be on the slide and maximum explanation will be by you.
By
So that's a very
ourselves.
good thing. You know why? That is very good thing. You know why? Because students' attention or the presenter's attention, sorry, viewers' attention will be on you, not on the slide, because in slide only one word is there and then you are explaining, right? So that's the beauty of PowerPoint. See, the word is PowerPoint, so it should be about point, not about the sentences and paragraph. I'll show you one more thing. Now here, see, this is a new. See, if you are using Microsoft 2019 or Microsoft Office 365, you have this facility here that is called Design Idea. So whatever you are going to write here, let us say B.Ed presentation, okay, by whom? So say, let us say Bhavin Chauhan. Now, the moment I do this, I will have lots of design ideas here, right? You can check a lot of design ideas. You can see these are the design ideas and lots of design ideas. You just need to click, see more design ideas, and you will have ready-made design ideas here. Let us take one from it just for a time being. Let us take one from it. This one is good. So this is the design idea which help you to prepare yourself. Now this is the facility. Apart from that, people are coming now one by one. Okay, let us take next slide. Control M, next slide. Now here you have the facility that your new slide should be blank or what kind of slide. Okay, so you can have even this kind of slide also. You can have even blank, clear blank slide also, like that. Okay. Now, once you have a slide, you can insert table, pictures. In pictures, they have provided a wonderful facility. In pictures, when you click, you have now 3 things. You can click on this and you can take devices from your computer. So I have this device. I have chosen these pictures and I have taken this. Now I can reshuffle also here and there. Okay, you can check, or even I can directly go for design idea and I can take this. Okay,
Sir,
but the best facility which you have right now here in insert is that after picture you have stock images also. Microsoft PowerPoint has given this facility, and this facility is of stock images. Again, oh sorry, I have clicked this wrong button.
So which version is this?
This is Microsoft Office 365 version,
365.
and
Okay.
it is also available in Microsoft Office 2019.
सर
सर
Okay.
नहीं है
फर्स्ट वाला फीचर दिखा रहे हैं.
Office 365.
2009
See,
वाला जो वर्जन
Microsoft,
था 19 वाला है ना,
हाँ
2019 वाला वर्जन है मेरे पास, उसमें फैसिलिटी है ही नहीं।
हाँ सर उसमें
तो
नहीं
मेरे
ऑफिस
है।
पास
वर्जन
भी
तुमने
है
निकाल
सर.
दिया होगा क्योंकि मेरे पास था। तो कोई बात नहीं, उसका मैं
अरे
आपको भी
वर्जन
दिखाता हूँ, डोंट वरी।
दूसरा होगा।
राइट नाउ जो आपको पीपीटी बनानी है ना, दिखानी है, उसके उस पे जब फोकस करिए। I'll help you for that also. There are ways, nothing to worry. See, I cannot openly tell
हाँ
you
प्लीज
that thing that
सर।
you go on the internet. You understand what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
That Microsoft Office, if you are not having, you need to go to internet, find out some site where you can find the dash version. Now dash version you can go for pirated, crack, whatever you want to write, you find out and take it. And if you don't want to do it, if you want to be legal, they are also providing 1 month trial. So go for that, right? Enjoy. Now the beauty here is that they have stock photos. Now stock photos, there is a wonderful, see, now in stock photos, you just need to search here. I'm searching, my favorite topic is body language, and I'm just writing body language. I'm not able to find anything, it's okay, because it's a stock photo, so they are not going to, let us write book, and I'm writing books, and I'll see the photos of books have come. I need to click on any pictures, and then I need to insert from here. But beyond that, we have icons also. See, icons, all the icons that you want, thousands of icons are here, right? It will take, I think you need, 10 to 15 minutes to surf even this way also. These many icons are here. And these icons, let us go for communication, our best word. So communication, and I'm clicking on it. I got all the icons for communications. When I suppose, let us take, I'm taking this one and I'm inserting into it. So the phone and this icon has come, right? So this is the icon. Now in this icon also, you have the facility that you can fill the color. See, you can check it, right? You can fill the color. So that's a beauty. Apart from that, again, you go to picture, stock images. In stock images, you have cutout people also. This is a new version, right? So you can take cutout of others also, like this. I have chosen this. There are thousands of pictures are cut out, and I've just used this one. Now I can rearrange, and then I can also write something here, what she has brought with, right? Clear? Even they are giving the idea like this also. Okay, you can go for this also. Ready-made ideas are given in design idea. See, beauty is here, right? Clear? Now you can write something here also by inserting text box. But I'm not right now here to teach PowerPoint, but just wanted to see that your life can be very easy if you understand these things. Then you have, after the icon, image, cutout people, you have stickers also. So you can use these kind of stickers also to make your presentation interesting, right? और क्वेश्चन दे दो और क्वेश्चन के बाजू में ये लगा दो तो बच्चों को और मजा आएगा. They will enjoy like anything, right? Okay. और इसको अगर आप देखो तो इन्होंने कैसे डिजाइन किया है. They have their own way of designing also. Clear? So that's a beauty here. The rule is here is that use more pictures. My PPT of communication is not that much good. Why? Because I need to use pictures to explain myself. Okay? So minimum content, more pictures. अभी आपकी जो मैथ्स की पीपीटी आपको बनानी है उसमें अगर 5 ही स्लाइड लेनी है तो हमें करना क्या पड़ेगा कि we are going to use only points there, and the points you are going to explain, right? Okay, no theory, no hard paragraphs or no big paragraphs or big sentences, only points. Then you have to explain on your own. That is most important, right? That's the beauty of preparing PowerPoint. हाँ, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई बोल रहा है, बोलिए. बोलिए।
सर पहले बताया होता पूरी बना लेते, अभी पूरा बन गया है, अब एक्सप्लेनेशंस इम्प्रूव कर लेंगे।
हाँ,
या
एक्सप्रेशन इंप्रूव कर दीजिए। और हाँ, ये सब चीजें तो क्या वो आपको ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस किसने सिखाया है अभी तक? किसने सिखाया है ये?
दीपिका मैम
दीपिका
दीपिका
मैम
मैम
अच्छा, तो ये
दीपिका
सब नहीं आया था उसमें?
दीपिका मैम ने सर।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, शी इज अ वंडरफुल टीचर,
हेलो।
आई एम श्योर ही मस्ट हैव डिस्कस समथिंग लाइक दिस।
यस सर।
यस
यस
ओके
सर
सर,
फाइन।
बट थिंग इज दैट पूरा सेक्शन अलग अलग है, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। ये जो भी आपने
नो
दिखाया है
प्रॉब्लम,
उसको
वन
वर्जन
मोर।
डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, दूसरी बात ये कि देयर इज अ 3D मॉडल इज आल्सो अवेलेबल नाउ, so this is something new, really. Just see the power now you are getting from 3D model. I'll show you. Let us take animated for education. Let us take this one. So I want to teach my student about the layers, topsoil, tropospheres, and all these spheres. Now suppose I want to teach that. I want to teach these layers, or I want to teach about the dinosaur. I just want to teach about the pump part. Let us add it. It will
सर
come
स्क्रीन
because it's a 3D model, so it will take time.
दिख रहा है।
सर आपका स्क्रीन नहीं शो हो रहा है,
नहीं हो रहा है? Just 1 minute.
स्क्रीन शेयर स्टॉप हो गया।
I'll do it again. Thank you. Again, I'm deleting. I'll show you. Right? Go to insert 3D models. Go to 3D models directly. You have different options. There is animated for education is there. You click on it. You have up to there. Microsoft is also improving, but right now let us take the concept of muscles. So I'm just entering the concept of muscles here. It will take a bit time because it's a 3D image, so it will take some time. Now it has arrived. So now you can see the whole concept here, right? See, not only you can check from here, you can check from here also, from here also, from here also. Okay, and now even you can also rotate with yourself. So that's the power of 3D modeling that you are having. Okay, this version is not that much expensive, and the students are getting free services if you check it. Okay, MS University has purchased this, that's why I'm using it. But it is not so. See, now this is scene. See, I'm just using this as a bone only. We have this facility also, scene 2. And now this is scene 1. Okay, so in scene 1, vein were there. In scene 2, only muscles were there. And in scene 3, we find only bones. So your life will be much more easy if you learn this simple PowerPoint art, nothing else, right? So I'm just leave it on you right now. If you want to learn about the more tricks of PowerPoint, I'll share the videos on our channel 121. Okay, sorry, our group 121. Clear? So with
Yes
this, I'm
sir.
just stopping the sharing, and let us start working on our topic. Let's wait for 1 minute and then we'll start in 1 minute only. So welcome, right? So welcome here. I'm sorry for the break in between. Now let us start working it. Right? Okay. Ane, yes. Yes. Actually, અઢી વાગે પતી જશે 15 મિનિટ પછી. Okay. So are you getting my voice now? Is there anyone
Yes,
who
sir.
just tell me, am I audible?
You are audible. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. Now I'll show you one more thing, which can really make your life more easy, right? Again, I'm sharing my screen. Just observe, and that is a very simple software that we are using every day. Which software? Tell me, which software is used every day for every purpose?
Google.
WhatsApp. YouTube.
Google is there, WhatsApp is there. I'm talking about Microsoft Office. In Office, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel is there. Which one is more used?
PowerPoint.
Word,
PowerPoint.
sir.
Word.
Definitely PowerPoint is there, but Word is preferred. Word is used well, right? Huh?
Word.
Word is used more, right? This is what I wanted to convey. Now, this is Microsoft Word. Now, here they have the wonderful facility. There is a facility called Dictate here. Dictate means suppose you don't want to speak, you just want to type only. So you have to click here, and here there is mic is not connected. That is why this error is there. When you have your mic connected, this error will not be there, and you can speak. And whatever you speak, it will be typed exactly like that only. And Microsoft has provided a training also on that how to speak in such a way that the mic understands. Let us see from here. Yes, see which English. So I'm going to go for English India. Where is English India? Here. Yes, I'm clicking. So in Indian English, our pronunciation is quite different than others. So they are going to focus on Indian pronunciation. Then they are also helping us how to go for full stop, how to go for comma, capital, inverted comma, all these things. So there is a small training is given in Microsoft Office only. We need to take it.
Sir,
Second,
is Gujarati
the
language
best
there?
thing, Gujarati language is also there. Yes. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to language preferences from here, and you have to select Gujarati, and you have to download this transcript and other versions also. So some kind of a mechanism is required, but I have seen many people using this. Yes. Okay. I'm using Gujarati here, but for typing purpose. I have never used for when speaking purpose. For Gujarati, I'm using for typing purpose, and that is also the same old way. You know that, right? That Bhavin, then Chauhan, right? You know this is the way. So this is the way I'm using, but that is just a phonetic purpose. Okay, let's come back to our topic. Hey.
नहीं सर, वो डिक्टेट
Now,
वाले में.
Dictate वाले में possibility है. I have not checked it, but I'm sure there will be possibility. We have to check it. Okay, you want to say yes? Let us check it right now only. We have only Hindi, not Gujarati. Yes, we can check it from here only. Right? Only Hindi, no Gujarati. That's it. Now, suppose this is the beauty of this particular Microsoft Word software. I'm writing here that I am hungry. Now, hungry is H-U-N. I'm making the screen big so you can check. Or no need to make it big. Let us quantify it. Now, are you able to see this? This is the spelling error. So earlier it was also so that when you click right click, you have the spelling hungry. Now the beauty is here, they are also providing the synonyms. Hungry means starving also. Hungry means ambitious also. Hunger for appreciation. Then hungry means also avid, atur, adhiro, बोलते हैं ना वो that. And when you click on it, you have the read aloud facility also for those people who are having problem in visibility. Okay. So hungry is there. Now suppose you have written R. I am की जगह पे क्या लिखा? R लिखा. Now you have a green light. And this kind of lot of sentence you have prepared. Like, let us say, she am ready. I is sick. You is better. I have written these many sentences. Now everything if I don't want, see, मुझे क्या ये हर जगह जाके correct करना पड़ेगा जहां भी blue line है? No. Microsoft Office is now providing the wonderful facility called editor. Now this is also new and it also come in Office 365 only. When you click on editor, you have all the things here, right? And apart from that thing, they have now added this also: clarity, conciseness, formality, punctuation, and vocabulary. So right now it is showing that there are 4 suggestions. So when you click on this, they will show you which if you click on here R, it's done. Then here am, then here is. I don't have to move my hand, just I have to be here only. Is. Ho gaya. Now all the total suggestions and if a review is also finished. Oh, so I don't have to move from sentence to sentence. I don't have to move on my cursor also. I just want to click only, nothing else. They have this facility of clarity also. If I write some unclear sentence, they help me to clear it out also. I'll show you. Now see this sentence. Now this sentence, आप में उसको कुछ गलत लगता है? नहीं लगता ना? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट को भी नहीं लगता. Now see this. Here they find 5 issues. ये यू को निकाल दीजिए बिकॉज ये क्या, ये मेरा एक सेटिंग है कि एकेडमिक राइटिंग में आई का यू का उपयोग नहीं कर सकती, इसलिए मैंने उसमें डाला हुआ है, इसलिए आई और यू में गलती दिखा देता है, राइट? बिकॉज वी हैव टू राइट एज ए थर्ड पार्टी ओनली. एक बहुत ही विचित्र रूल है, लेकिन एकेडमिक राइटिंग वी हैव टू राइट विद ए थर्ड पार्टी ओनली, ही शी, or we have to write as a researcher, but I cannot write my name. I have to explain myself as a writer or researcher, but I cannot use the word I or you, right? So this is, I have already added that particular thing. That is why they are showing. But see the project. Now article a is missing. See the word I they are not allowing. That's why. See the word with. So here the grammatical mistake is that I'm tired of आता है, tired with नहीं आता है. Are you getting? Okay. And you to mean totally. Now see the word totally. Totally is not required. Why? Because when you're tired. Totally is use of word. Even you will find one more word. अगर मैं यहाँ थोड़ी देर खड़ा रहूँ, but it take time, but they again search the whole concept. ये very भी थोड़ी टाइम में निकल जाएगा. यहाँ देखोगे तो very में का भी सजेशन यहाँ आएगा कि very नहीं चलेगा. So that's the beauty, and they have their own style guide also. You can go to that and you can also check. You can check the correctness, clarity, engagement. means आपकी writing इतनी engaging है कि लोग आपकी writing को पढ़ेंगे, उसको नहीं रखेंगे जब तक वो खत्म ना हो. Right? And so many things are there. So this is the beauty of this particular software. Kindly go through it. You will enjoy like anything. Then we have one more thing to share, and that is I'll just open up and then share the screen. Okay, fine. Let us see that again. I'm sharing the screen. Okay, now it is open. You can check it. I'm sharing here. See, we have last time we have discussed about the web tools and classroom 2.0 means zero tools in the classroom. Now, what is this classroom 2.0 or web tool 2.0? Understand this, right? Classroom has walled block in which people are just there and they used to teach. Now, classroom definition has changed by Google Classroom, then Blackboard, then Google Meet. Everything has changed, right? Okay. Now, in classroom, they have lobby also. If you are using Microsoft Team, they have different word for that. I don't know which word they are using. I tell you, but they have this frontiers and these lobbies also. So students can be in this lobby and they can come out after that, right? So many. The whole concept is changed, and to utilize that, we need web tools 2.0. That means web tools which are higher than those. So these are the web tools. These are nothing, just a software programs only, okay, which can be very helpful to you to use in the classroom. And I'm just increasing the font size so you can check out how they can help you. The first is Globster. They are not given the link here, right? Okay. Okay, given. Now, you will see when it's open. Let me make it open. Kids blog. Then, Vignette. Skype, you know. Storybird, yes. Voice thread we have discussed earlier. I'll just check one or two only. See Globster. Now here, you can do wonderful things, right? How they work. Watch video, you will come to know. What is Globster? You have the informations on Bear, right? You take it from YouTube, means Wikipedia, on internet. Lots of information is available, right? Text is there, pictures are there, videos are there, sounds are there. So all these things you have there, right? Now Globster is helping you to develop this kind of stuff, right? Where you can have text as well as video, as well as image, as well as links available inside. So that's the beauty, really. You can start free. You will find a lot of things also, how to make notes also, then how to take in the classroom. You can tell your story also, and so many things you can go for it. This is a very good software. This is Classroom 2.0. This is WebTool 2.0, where you can upload your linked video. You can add text also. You can go for your wallpaper also. You can add audio also, images, clip art, zoom effect, everything, right? So these things are there. Okay. So it is also available on this is also available on Windows, and the app is also available for iPad also. Android, unfortunately, we are not having yet. And how many people are using, you can check out from here also. Daily, 2,000 teachers around the world are creating account into Globster, right? So kindly go through this also and you will enjoy. Then Kids blog. 30-day trial is there. You can also enjoy, in which you will find blogging and tools for kids. So blog that we have discussed now, you can think of this also for blogging for kids. But I don't advise this one. Okay. There is a website. I just wanted to show. Okay, finally it comes. This is the website. You must be knowing about this website. I have my own account also here. Directly that account only came out and all my personal features directly come out. It's okay. Let me open it my account and I'll show you. LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is one of the best platform to express your talent. Okay. आपको क्या करना है, अपनी हमेशा प्रोफाइल यहाँ के बना के रखनी है. It is just like a online resume of you. People observe your LinkedIn profile and then they select you for international works, right? So here you can see a lot of things are there. This is the thing that people have been started writing to whom I have selected, right? But see, these are the groups I have also associated with. So these are there. But that depends upon your own choice of things. The articles written by her, but your whole profile is here, right? So my connections are 60. These are the people to whom I'm connected, and they are with me on LinkedIn, and we are communicating sometimes. We are sharing the business also. It is a professional search engine for professional. That means suppose you want some people, just find out on LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn, every profile of every person is given in a very professional manner. So they find out from there, and then they take out from there, right? So work on this particular platform. You need to have your profile here, and whenever you are going for the interview, add the link of your LinkedIn profile also. It is going to really make your resume stand out. Okay, so this is one, and one more thing last, Animoto. It's a web tool. I have used many times, but now see, free version is the issue. And for 5 to 6 days they are providing free, and then they ask for money. So you need to have n number of email ID to use it for a longer period of time. You can have a wonderful effects like this. You can see here, right? In Animoto, and it's so easy that even kid of 5 years can also prepare video with a lot of effect. Okay, so if you are in video making, if you want to see this, so this is the Classroom 2 features. Wonderful. So suppose you want to launch something, see this. Now यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि which things are going on, यहाँ voice over artist ने पीछे voice दिया है, which I have muted because I am speaking right now. But these people are having their own voice also. Okay, so you can add voice also. And suppose you want to product intro demo, how to give introduction to product. So this person is selling those shaving kits, so he is giving his introduction. Okay, and he's speaking also at the back, in the background, and so many things are there. See, template and lot of you have a lot of customization also here. बट ये बता दूं, एनिमेटिव का अभी इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने थोड़ा फ्री कर दिया है. पहले फ्री नहीं देते थे. क्यों फ्री कर दिया दे दिया? Because Canva has given the competition. Canva has already showed you, right? Now Canva is one of the best thing. All these things you can do there. But now Animoto is specially designed for videos. So यहाँ facility बहुत ज़्यादा है for videos. So if you want to go for videos, apply this. Try this. You will enjoy, right? Okay. So these are the versions. And that's it. Make video today. Last thing I want to show you, and then we'll cut off. And this is this Microsoft PowerPoint 2 again. This is also considered as the, again I'm recording, this is also considered as the tool for Classroom 2.0. Why? Because it has this facility. I am just revolving my cursor. You can see this. This has this facility called recording. Yes. Now this facility is so nice. You can record the slide from here. You can take the snaps from here, right? You can record the slide from the current slide, or you can start from any beginning, right? Whatever you want to do. Then you can go for screen recording also. So that means all these things will be recorded. You can add video, you can add audio, you can show as PowerPoint, you can export as video. So to prepare video, the best platform is Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll show you. Record the slide. I'm just clicking on it. You know what happened? When I'm going to press this red button, Microsoft will start recording. So whatever PPT will be here, I'll be talking about that PPT. Okay. Suppose you have written point only here, right? Okay. And you have to explain a lot. So what you can do, you can write down notes here. Like, see, I'm writing here, right? You can write down notes here. This note we need to write in the Microsoft Office before. Like, I'll show you how. You have this note facility also here. Let us go to home. You have this note facility here. I'll show you where I have got. I have never used notes, so I'm not able to get it right now. Leave it right now. Let's come to recording again. But what is the beauty here is that those who cannot speak for a longer period of time, you have to add notes here. Notes यहाँ screen पे दिखाई नहीं देगी उन लोगों को, लेकिन आपको दिखाई देगी. तो होगा क्या? You can speak. You are observing your PowerPoint. They are going to observe your PowerPoint, but you're not only observing your PowerPoint, you're also observing what? Those notes, and you can read from that. So only some points are there which will be shown to the students, but you have your whole note with you and you can speak from there. So अगर कुछ ज़्यादा ये cheating ही है definitely, लेकिन ये it's a helpful tool also for those who are having longer things to speak. And they have direct means exact word they want, right? Now, because many times some words we need to have on that particular sentence only. Those kind of people, this is really helpful to them. Okay. Apart from them, when you start on this red button, you can record video. Here, with these features, you can stop recording. And here, with these features, you can replay your recording. So you can check. After everything, when you record, video is recorded, let us say I'm recording right now. So they'll give us warning like this, 1, 2, 3. Now my video is started recording. I can see from timer is also here. They have a tool here. You can check their tool. So I'm using the tool also. I can also write with these tools. I can show, I can change the color also. And there are so many things here. Apart from that, if you don't like it, you have eraser also, you erase it, okay? Suppose you have stopped. You have stopped recording. So now you have replay. You can check. Now it is replaying. You can check. This is कोई slide में content ही नहीं है, तो दिखेगा कैसे? हाँ देखो आया ना, मैंने किया था वो. So recording is there. अभी ये जो recording है ना, उसमें whatever I'm speaking is also will be coming with that. So that's the beauty of this software. Now everything is done. I have completed my work, so I'll just click it. So when I click it, my recording will be also here with me. Okay. When I come to export video, it will also, you have the facility here as export video, create video. You have facility के आपको क्या चाहिए? You want 4K video? Now 4K is also facility they are providing, right? You have full HD. I think full HD is enough. Then you have to just click on create video. That's it, and that will go directly to your download folder. Okay. When I click on it, they will ask me where you want. So I will just go to document folder, and when I save, it will be there. So this is a beautiful way. On YouTube, there are a lot of videos available. The name is PowerPoint to Video. Just kindly go through it. You will enjoy. So with this, I'm cutting it off. These are the web tools or Classroom 2.0 tools. So thank you very much for your time right now. Enjoy. These are wonderful tools. Kindly check them, work on them. They will help you out a lot. Okay.